Hey everyone, Suzanne Chilton here, Registered Foot Reflexologist with the Reflexology Association of Canada. And we're on episode 8 here of my IGTVs with DIY reflexology. So reflexology you can do at home to help heal yourself. And today I wanted to do a very special edition, a COVID-19 edition, since we're all quarantining and there's a lot of stress and anxiety going on. And reflexology, because it's a nervous system treatment, is amazing for helping calm the nervous system, calm the sympathetic nervous system. That's the one we're in control of, but we don't know that we are. And because these are triggers for your body, doing these things are going to help bring down that stress, release it, and bring you to a more calm state. So I thought it would be great for something to share with you, something else you guys can do while you're at home and you have the time for the self-care. You can practice this little sequence I'm going to show you. So this is something that can be done as many times a day as you want, but also before you go to sleep at night is really great. It's just great for helping calm the body and getting prepared for sleep. All right, so the first reflex we're going to learn, first of all, you want to start off by massaging your feet. This is great to use any non-toxic cream that you have, your favorite cream, or oil, even coconut oil with just some essential oils in it. So just start by massaging your feet. Just that alone, you're going to notice how much you feel that activation. Some people feel a tingly sensation all through their body, but basically, we keep these pent up a lot, especially in the winter. I've got slippers on all the time, and then we've got shoes on. So just rubbing on the bottom of your feet really, really gently, nothing too hard. It's gonna start activating everything for you and starting to release that stress, because that is our natural reflexology when we're walking. So the first reflex I want to show you is the head reflex. So this is going to help release stress, tension, any headache that you might have going on. And it's also going to activate any of the glands that we have going on in the brain that help restore the hormones in the body. So the head reflex is going to be great for anxiety. So the head reflex is found in the big toe here. So you're just going to massage all over that big toe. You can work your way up here, the bottom of it. And along the sides here too, this is going to be the neck, and across this way. Make sure to get down in between the toes. That's going to feel really great. And you can also, again, massage the top as well. And I like to finish up by doing kind of a circular massage on the bottom of the toe. This is just going to release that stress and, relieve all those thoughts and tensions and stress that you have going on in your brain. So you're going to want to do that on the other foot as well, on the big toe. That's going to release all the head. The next one I want to show you is the spine reflex. So the spine, if you look at the inside edge of your foot, you're going to feel there is a ridge of bone that goes all the way down towards the ankle here, and it kind of stops here. So you're going to feel that ridge all the way up. So you can actually massage that ridge. You can go down this way too. And the easiest way to do this is just to sit cross-legged and work on your feet that way. And just massaging this whole spine, this is going to help release the entire body, because a lot of times when we're stressed and have anxiety, we tense up and we have tension in our spine. So this is going to help release the whole spine, which then helps release everything else in the body. And it's a lot easier when you have cream. So I suggest using that. Just massage all the way down. So that's going to feel really great. It's also going to help relieve any pain you might have going on in your spine, stiff back, stiff lower back. And then the third one I want to show you, the third reflex, is called the diaphragm. So this is our ball of our foot. Make sure you repeat that spine on the other side. The ball of our foot here, right in the center, and you can kind of see there's a line here there is the edge of the ball of the foot, right in the center there. There's going to be a little bit of a dip. And you're going to want to take your thumb, breathe in, and on the out breath, you're going to want to press down gently on that diaphragm reflex. Again. One more time. So this diaphragm reflex, this represents our center in here where we're breathing in. So by gently pressing on that reflex there, it helps calm our breathing. It helps us breathe deeper, which helps with stress and anxiety. And it helps us release any stress that we're holding in the body. And I always find people, when I work on this one, they actually say, I just feel like I need to close my eyes during that and fall asleep. It really is a trigger, right? This is what reflexology is. It's a trigger for your body. So the more you do it and the more you get your body attuned to it, the more it's going to react to it. So definitely practice these three a couple times a day when you need it, or like I said, every night before bed. And this is really going to help soothe you and release some of that stress you might be feeling right now. So hope everybody is safe and well, and Tootsie and I will see you soon. Have a good one, guys. Bye.